Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Mi A2 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard theme on this Xiaomi. First of all, access settings and scroll down. Now choose System, Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard and Gboard. Over here you need to tap on Theme and choose Show More to see all available ones. When you're done, click on one of those images. Tap on this filter next to keyboarders to enable or disable them and tap apply. You can do the same with one of those colors. So now when I go back, I can see the theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!